There are two York air conditioners. I think they have Bristol reciprocating compressors, I'm not sure. But there's a wall unit up there. Can't tell what kind of compressor it has. Here's some Train Series R's, they're super loud. Wait, I think it's only one of them that's running. Jeez, it's loud. Big old screw compressor. Train Series R. Is this one running? Oh wait, both of these are running, but that one's louder. So yeah, there's a bunch of wall units over here, LG to be exact. Oh, that one up there is running. I thought it was on the other side. So yeah, there's like a bunch of these units all around here. That one running, I think the fan is running. That appears to be a Train Odyssey and some newer Lennox Merit series. Fortunately, the church is not open because the whole situation and stuff, but I think this is a York. Yeah, these are from York, I believe. Where? Really?
Yeah.
So apparently there's more on the other side, so let's check out the other side. What do you know what brand this is? Yeah.
It doesn't even say. Oh, it's a carrier.
Are you sure?
Yeah. If this one's a carrier.
Oh yeah, carrier split system.
This is also a carrier split system.
So there's two of these. Let's see.
I don't even see this compressor.
From 2000, I believe. Yeah, where are the compressors for these? Here's.
I don't know what's wrong with this unit.
Yeah, here's a York.
It's in pretty bad condition.
Let's see.
Date off of it.
Oh, it has a Bristol reciprocating compressor.
Here's the deck, and I thought this was equipment.
This is. I think from 2009. I'm not quite sure, but this is kind of an old one. Here's a Daikin.
Is this the
Let's
thing?
see.
Can't even see the dash.
Looks like a Copeland scroll.
Scroll three-phase compass. Yeah.
2007. But yeah. So we found these chillers here. This is some sort of a carrier. This one is running, and this looks like this is a Goodman. It's an old Goodman, 5-ton for the choir room apparently. I think this has a Copeland scroll. It sounds, it's pretty noisy. It has really loud fans too. So that looks like, yeah, those are two Amandas. And here's some Reams at a church. And then there's some rooftop units over there. And then also rooftop units in that school over there. Are you sure it's an LG?
Can't even see the compressor of this screw. Where is the compressor?
No, I think it's a Copeland scroll.
That's a Copeland screw.
Oh, the compressor is back there, I think.
That's also a Copeland screw.
Yeah,
I think
Copeland
they're all
screw.
Copeland screws.
This one. No, this one has an LG scroll, it looks like. This one has a Copeland scroll. Let's see. That one is from 2012. And with R22. This is at the Hog Middle and High School, and there's a bunch of rooftop units. I think one of them is running. There's two chillers here too. I think it's running. Yeah, it's running. Kind of quiet actually. I'm gonna go next to this chiller. See what kind of compressors these are. I don't know what brand these compressors are, but they're loud. It doesn't say what brand it is. It's like the closest I've ever been to a chiller. These compressors aren't running. This one is super loud. I think we should get out of here before we get caught. This is a York, or like, okay, that's a Copeland scroll. 1997. I'm not sure. Not sure what year this is from. This is a 3-ton. I'm not sure what brand this is either. It looks like a York. Oh, there's some more here. Heck, is that a Bristol reciprocating? Not, I can't really tell. I think that's a Bristol compressor. This one also has one. Here's a Lennox. It's not running. This has a, I think that's a Copeland scroll. This one is from 2013 and it's 1.5 ton, I think. Here are 2 carriers, not running. Dang it, I can't get the data. I thought I would be able to access them more easily. There's a Goodman gas pack right here that's running. It's actually quite quiet. Stinks. I'm pretty sure this has. Now, there's a camera, so I'm gonna go to the other side where it looks like a Train XB. That looks like a. Oh, that's a Lennox. Oh, here's a Train XE 1200. Let's see. Climatough reciprocating compressor. This is from 1999. This one's running. Oh, it just turned off. Sounded like a Copeland recip. I'll wait and see. This looks like the Lennox near my house. Just gonna wait until it turns off. Where's the data? 2004. I think it's a 3-ton. Can't see the compressor, but this unit was loud. Yeah, there's a bunch of rooftop units and some. Over here, there's a super loud Goodman. Wait. Oh, it's not running. It was, yeah. Damn it. It was.
Was it this one?
No, it was the other one.
This one?
But they.
Yeah, this has a Copeland scroll.
They both have Copeland scroll compressors, but this one was like one of the loudest air conditioners I've ever seen, actually. So like, if it turns on, that thing's gonna scare me pretty good. But yeah, here are 2 Goodmans. Dang it. I guess I'll come back when it's running. But yeah, it's one of those up there. I think it's that one. It's kind of noisy. the back of a restaurant or something. Here's 2 refrigerating components. I think one of them is running. Oh, this is a road. The Copeland Scroll. Here's 2 Goodmans. Also Copeland Scroll. Here's a Guardian at someone's house. Sounds really nice. So this is a townhouse. There's an Amana Distinctions American Standard Silver Series. Oh, there's another one here. And I think that's a comfort maker. Oh, that's a big one. Let's see. It looks like Carry. Oh wait, no, it's another American Standard. Let's see if the Goodman is running. There was a Goodman over here somewhere. Wait, it's running. Okay, yeah. Here's a Goodman. It's running. I really like the sound of that. It has a Copeland reciprocating compressor, I'm pretty sure. But there's a dog. Yeah. Oh, this Train XR just turned on. It just now turned on. This one's from 2015, it looks like. And then it sounds pretty nice. There's another Amana and another XR, and I think that is gonna be it. That was part 2 of central air conditioners around Houston Heights. Unless I find any more, but that would be for another video, I guess. And there's a bunch of Goodmans on that roof. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed.